Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Yes, I'm doing more I'm pre-recording, so yeah, this is the second video for today and posted another day. So I'm gonna just review another product called e.l.f, and this I got as a gift from a friend, so thank you so much if you're watching. I appreciate it. It is Day to Night lipstick duo from e.l.f. All right, I will look up the price and post it here so you can see if you want to try it out. And yeah, let's go ahead. Again, this is not sponsored, just as me trying out. It's spring, so hey, trying out stuff for you to see what you can use when the holidays come, spring, summer, you know. So e.l.f, and this is a Day to Night lipstick duo, and it says this duo and that lipstick conveniently has a beautiful soft shade for day and a bolder shade for night. The velvety satin formula is enriched with shea and vitamin A, C, and E to help nourish and hydrate. And direction says choose desired shade, twist up and apply to bare lips. For best result, apply with a lip brush and blend from the center of the lip. Okay, so let's open it up and see. I love the packaging, very simple and neat. This is how it looks like. So you have, I'm saying this would be the night color and the day color, and it has symbols so you could see it. First one I'm applying is the day color, and this color it is Best Berries. So I'm guessing it's the same shade color, but they have a darker shade and a lighter shade. All right, so let's go ahead. So this is the first one. Now the instructions say you can apply with a lip brush, but I don't have one, so we're gonna apply it like this. Okay, so this is inner. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells really good. I tasted it just a little bit. It's sweet. I don't know if it's edible, but it tastes sweet. So yeah, this is the color. Honestly, let me know what you think. I don't hate the color. I like it. It would be something that I will probably wear every now and then, but not all the time. But I like it. It's pretty cool. Pretty lightweight too. So let me know what you think about this color for the day look. Alright, and then let's try on the second, the darker shade. Ooh, you see how it looks? See, let me do a swatch. This is for morning use, and that is for the evening. So let's try on. Right, so never mind my eyebrow, just tell me what you think. I like this bold color from the shade berry color. Spring berry, you know, you can wear it for the spring color. So this pretty much spring, something that I will wear or try every now and then, like really as much more than the lighter color. I like it. What do you think? It's not bad. I like it, and also it tastes really sweet. So this is from the e.l.f collection, and it gives you two options, and it's called again e.l.f Day to Night lipstick duo. Okay, hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Have you ever tried this lipstick before? Will you ever try it? Or do you like the colors, you know, the light and the dark? Which one will you prefer more, or which one will you use more regardless of the day? Even though they make the darker shade for the day and the night, and the lightweight for the day, which one will you try? So I'll prefer. Let me know what you think. Comment below, and catch you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye now.